I'm Kendall with the Renos for Pros and Joe's YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the HALO HLB4 Ultra Thin Canless Downlight. Before we get started with the unboxing, I do want to mention that you can purchase these fixtures in single packs or in multi-packs of 4 or 6. Let's get started with the unboxing. This 4-inch canless fixture has a maximum brightness of 792 lumens, and it is rated for direct contact with insulation, which means that it can be used in an attic or in a ceiling where insulation is present. The fixture comes with a template that will allow you to trace out your areas on the ceiling to make sure that you've got your holes located properly and that they are the right size before you begin to cut. The unit also comes with a mounting bracket that can be installed here on the rear of our junction box driver. And it also comes with screws that you use to attach it here, and you mount through these 2 slots here on the bracket. You also have the option of mounting the driver junction box directly to your framing through the holes here in the back of the driver junction box. As you look here, you can see that we have the white, black, and bare copper wires, all that have quick connections on them, which allow you to connect more than one light together in a daisy chain. Here on the top of the driver junction box, you can also see that we have the area where you can select your color temperature, and the color temperature goes from 5,000 to 4,000 to 3,500 to 3,000 to 2,700, and you make your change simply by clicking the switch to the desired color temperature. This fixture is 2 pieces that can be disconnected, which you may find helpful during the installation process. This is the wafer portion, and this is the portion that you will see when you are standing in the finished space. Here we have a collar that we can back off, and then we can slide the 2 pieces apart. And so if necessary, you can install this portion in the attic or in the ceiling first and take care of all of the wiring, and then you can come down into the finished space and connect this piece to the portion here on this side. And if you look closely, you can see there's a slotted area right here, and there is another area inside of this piece that allows them to fit together, so this can only go back together one way. So we've got the 2 pieces connected back together here, and then you just tighten them back down and you're ready to go. Now, once you've got this portion of the fixture ready to go and install finally, you can remove your packing here, and you can see that we've got these clamps here. You simply bend your clamps up to be able to get the fixture through the hole that you've cut using your template, and then once it's in the hole, these braces will hold it in place and give you a snug fit. Now, this light fixture is rated for wet spaces, which meaning that it can be used in a shower enclosure, and it can also be used on the exterior of the property as a soffit light. This fixture is dimmable down to 5% of its overall brightness and has a lifespan of 50,000 hours. It can also be used in direct contact with insulation, which makes it an excellent option for installation on new construction in a ceiling or an attic where there currently are no lights, as well as in renovation projects where you have remodel cans that can be removed and you can install a fixture like this in its place. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative, and I'll see you on the next one.